Hi, and welcome to Comprehension Test 10. This particular comprehension task is based on the number of road accidents that take place and the fact that people just don't take care when they're driving. One common theme that you'll see in this is the fact that the government, the police, and the public pretty much have to come together to decide how to drive on roads and how to keep people safe. One common misconception is that when you're coming towards traffic lights in your car and you see the traffic light turning amber, a lot of people put their foot down on the accelerator and speed up through the traffic lights when it's actually supposed to be the opposite. So when the light is green on the traffic light and it turns amber, that's a signal for you as a driver that you need to slow down. But a lot of people are actually doing the opposite. They actually speed up. And that also causes many accidents as well. So have a read of this and you get some really good ideas of how road accidents can be reduced. And you've got some follow-up questions to answer thereafter as well. Good luck.